Here we have a 70 mi M300 dashcam. Devices started acting up and showing error messages, such as
connect the in-car charger cable. Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
These symptoms indicate that the battery is worn out and needs to be replaced. The camera has actually been having issues for several months. At first it said the battery was low and needed charging, and eventually it started showing this abnormal time detected. Under the label it looked like there were two hidden screws, but one of them was just a dummy. Only one screw actually needs to be removed. Opening the case turned out to be surprisingly difficult. I was wondering if there is more screws, but I couldn't find any. My trusty pry tool just wouldn't fit into the cap. I even had to put on protective gloves in case the tool slipped, because a lot of force was required. But once you manage to open the corners slightly, the whole housing starts to come apart from that small opening. The lithium polymer battery has a very small capacity. Its purpose is to keep the camera running for about 1 minute if the power from the car is lost in an accident. I couldn't get the original battery, so I had to order a generic replacement part. I managed to find one with the exact same dimensions and the same capacity. I hope the connector is compatible as well. If necessary, I can transfer the original BMS module and connector from the old battery. You shouldn't rip the connector off by force. It's better to disassemble the device more until there is enough room to safely disconnect it. This way we avoid causing additional damage. So I had to completely disassemble the other half as well. The new connector appears to be compatible and the wiring order looks the same. Black, red and yellow wires are on the same pins, so it should be okay. It should be safe to plug it in directly.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
The device seems to be working with the new battery.
Turning on Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Wi-Fi is also working, so the device can be fully reassembled. Let's finish assembling it and then fix time-related error later using the app. During reassembly, the longer wires became a small problem. I could shorten them, but I don't want to do that. Doing precise micro soldering directly on a LiPo battery is not something I want to do, unless I have to. So I secured the wires on top of the battery using Kapton tape. The wires seem to fit inside after all. One final screw and the device is completely ready to use. The battery replacement was fairly easy, but I still need to reinstall the camera in the car. The camera is working perfectly now, and the abnormal time issue was easy to fix with the app. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.